Hello everybody, welcome to our first Project 2 online video class. How are you? Good, I'm fine too, thanks. So today we're going to look at desserts, okay? Desserts, ice cream, flan, that kind of thing. What's your favourite dessert? Do you like ice cream? Do you like mousse, chocolate mousse? Well, my favourite ice cream is apple crumble. And today we're going to listen to Emma. Emma is making apple crumble. So now, can you get your books? Open your books on page 50. 50. Here is Emma. Look at the pictures. Making apple crumble. What do you think is the correct order? What is first? What is second? What is third? Have a look. Pause the video and look. Pause. Okay, so let's listen and check. Let's listen to Emma telling us her recipe for apple crumble.
Exercise 1B. Apple crumble.
Apple crumble. Okay, so remember, as you listen, put the pictures in the correct order. 1, 2, 3. Put the number in the box.
Ingredients. You will need 3 large apples, 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter or margarine, 100 grams of sugar, water, cream or ice cream. Instructions. 1. Peel the apples and slice them. 2. Put the apples in a saucepan with a little water and 50 grams of the sugar. Boil the apples for 10 minutes. 3. Put the flour, the butter or margarine and the rest of the sugar into a bowl. Mix them with a fork. 4. Pour the cooked apples into a dish. 5. Cover the apples with the flour, butter and sugar mixture. 6. Put the dish into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. 7. Serve the apple crumble with cream or ice cream.
Okay, so there we go. Let's check our answers. So, picture number 1 is D. D, yeah? Number 1, D. Number 2, what do you think? That's right, G. What answer have you got for number 3? F, that's right. Okay, and for number 4? Number 4 is A. What about number 5? Number 5 is C. Number 6? Number 6 is E. You can't find E. There it is. Did you have E? Good. Number 7 is H. And finally, number 8 is, well, B. Serve with ice cream or cream. Very nice. Okay, so let's look at the pictures. Let's describe what Emma is doing. Okay, let's describe what she is doing in each picture. Okay, the words are in the text. Okay, so if we look at picture A, okay, picture A is number 4. Picture A, here it is. Okay, she's putting the flour, butter and sugar in a bowl. B. What is Emma doing? Yes, she's eating the apple crumble. She's eating. Okay. What about C? Okay, in C, she's mixing the flour, butter and sugar. Okay, repeat. She's mixing. Repeat. Mixing. Mixing. Okay. What about D? Use number 1, the word from 1. Peel. What's she doing? That's right, she's peeling the apples. Peeling the apples. E. Cover. That's right, she's covering the apples with the mixture. Okay, so she's covering the apples. F. Boil. Boil. Water very hot. Boil. Okay, she's boiling the apples. G. Where is G? Okay. Slice, 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 slice. Okay, slice. She's slicing the apples. H. She's putting the dish into the oven. Okay, very good. So let's look at some things in the kitchen. Let's find these things in the pictures. Number 1. Okay, a knife. Here it is, here's my knife. Repeat. A knife. A knife. Can you see that? A fork. Good. A fork. What's next? A saucepan. Here is my saucepan. Listen, repeat. Saucepan. Saucepan. Good. Oven. An oven. Okay, good. This is what she uses when she's mixing the flour. Mixing in a bowl. Very good. Okay. And this, to put in the oven, is a dish. Repeat, a dish. Good. Don't forget to repeat at home, eh? Okay, so now, what do we have here? It's a spoon. Repeat, spoon. And finally, for our apple. Look, I got an apple. Peeling. We're peeling with a special knife called a peeler. Repeat. Good. Peeler. Okay. Tell me, what is it? That's right, it's a saucepan. Saucepan. Tell me, what is it? That's right, it's a peeler. Oh, no, that's not the bowl. What's this? That's right, it's a dish. And this? Good, it's a bowl. Okay, let's look at spoon, fork and knife. Let's play a little game, okay? You can play this with your family these days. Okay, do you know the game 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Rock. 1, 2, 3. Paper. Rock, scissors, paper. I'm sure you do. We can do the same with fork, spoon and knife. So it's 1, 2, 3. Fork. 1, 2, 3. Knife. 1, 2, 3. Spoon. Okay, spoon. Now, here are the rules. Okay, a fork traps a knife. So fork wins against a knife. Okay, fork beats a knife. But a knife cuts the spoon. So a knife beats a spoon. And then our spoon smashes our fork. Okay, so a spoon beats a fork. Okay, everybody ready? So do it with me. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, decide what to have. 1, 2, 3. I've got a spoon. Have you got a fork? Yes, I win. Have you got a spoon? A draw. Have you got a knife? I lose. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. I've got a fork. Have you got a knife? I win. Fork. A draw. We're equal. A spoon. You destroy my fork. One more time. Just for good luck. See if you beat me. 1, 2, 3. Thought I was going to put a knife. No knife, no spoon. I've destroyed your fork. Or did you have a knife to cut my spoon? I don't know. So play against your family. Okay, let's move on. Look at part 3A. Okay? 3A. Look at these sentences. You need a saucepan and some water. Okay? A and some are indefinite articles. Indefinite. A spoon. Which spoon? I don't know. The. Put the water in the saucepan. These are definite articles. Okay? So, when do we use a definite article? When do we use an indefinite article? Okay, well, what do you think? The first time time number 1, we say the word, we use the indefinite article. Okay, you see in the instructions, you need, she says, put the apples in a saucepan. Okay, it's the first time she talks about the saucepan. Okay, subsequent times, the next times, we use the definite article, the. Okay, remember, indefinite article, time 1, a with countable singular nouns. Some with plural, some with uncountable nouns, some water. Okay. Definite article is the second, the third, the fourth time. In this case, the water, we already know, and the saucepan. We use it with both the uncountable and the countable. Okay? So, think about that. Look at these two and complete with some, a, or the. Okay? Pause the video and do the exercise. Then we'll check the answers. Okay, so have you done it? Difficult, eh? But remember, time one, it's going to be the or some. What do you think for number one? Which option do you use? Yes, in number one, it's put some flour and some butter, okay, because it's the first time that we've mentioned them, okay. In number three, a bowl, okay. First time that we've mentioned bowl, okay. It's new information. So listen and check your answers, okay. 1. Put some flour and some butter in a bowl. Now take a fork, mix the flour and the butter with the fork. Then pour some sugar into the bowl and mix it with the flour and the butter. Okay? So remember, we use the indefinite article at the start and then only when we introduce a new thing. Number 2. First, you need some mushrooms, okay, and a knife. Slice the mushrooms with the knife. Now put some oil in a frying pan. Shh. Put the mushrooms in the oil and then fry the mushrooms in the frying pan for 5 minutes. Very good. Okay, something else that Emma says in exercise 1. Look at these things. She says you need a few apples and you need look at the instructions. Yes, a little water. A little water. Little. Okay. A little water. Whoops, run out of space. Don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Okay, so when do we use few? When do we use little? Few, little. Yeah? Okay, well, remember we had countable and uncountable. Okay? Apples are countable. We can count them. 1 apple, 2 apples. I'm going to try juggling. Not bad, eh? An apple, 2 apples. Rice, for example, is uncountable. So lots, we can't count it. Okay, so let's look here. Countable. We use a few, like a few apples, okay, for countable. Complete it. A few, countable. Now look at the second one, uncountable. Example, water. Remember, liquids are uncountable. Water, lemonade. No plural form for uncountables. A little. Complete these expressions with little or a few. Okay? Go ahead. Pause the video and then we'll check. Okay, we're back. So let's check our answers. Okay, oranges, countable, plural. That's right, a few oranges. Butter, a little butter. Sugar, a little sugar. Tomatoes, plural. A few tomatoes. Remember, a few with plurals, countables. Salt, uncountable. That's right, a little salt. Cheese, in English, uncountable. A little cheese. For me, a lot of cheese, please. But yeah. Peas, remember the pronunciation, peas. Yes, a few peas. It's a plural, isn't it? Sausages. A few sausages. Very good. Okay, let's stop there. We haven't got time for Jake's recipe, but look at it at home, okay? It's got maybe some of the ingredients. Perhaps you can try to put in order and send what you think is the correct order to me, and I'll tell you. Okay, so let's stop there. I hope everything's okay. I'll see you on the next class. And remember, got to tidy when you finish, wash your hands, okay? I always sing this song, sing it twice and you'll be fine, okay? Wash your hands while you sing. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. Perfect. Okay, everybody, see you. Bye-bye.